What's going on, legends? Marty here from Codcatcher. Let's go. Went out last night to Lake Eppalock, Kerrang Point. Took the family out. Tea by the lake. Trying to test out the new fishing rod that one of the daughters got for Christmas. And before too long, she was getting a bite. Those of you with kids know exactly what it's like. Trying to get kids interested in fishing and keeping them interested in fishing. So by having the night we did with a good number of carp and a roach caught, that should keep them interested for a while. So anyway, carp number one. You all know this feeling. Them bells. Them bloody bells. Get me every time. I'll try to keep the kids out of the videos. But you can see here, I've got one in front of me catching her second carp. On her brand new rod. The majority of the camera work all caught by the 7-year-old. So if you like it, hit like, let her know. She's got a really good eye for it. She had this one set up perfectly to catch the bend in the rod. Of course, on the end is carp number 3. And lastly, last fish for the night was a roach. Haven't seen many out there. Like and subscribe, guys. Catch ya.